going, Barry?
Really well, thanks.
Look, how do you deal with missed rent payments?
Right, well the process starts as soon as you place a tenant. Make sure you capture all their details. Email, phone numbers, postal addresses, PO box numbers if you already know the residential address. Capture everything up front, because in the event of rent payments missed, you need to know how you can get hold of these people. Right, a rent payment has been missed. What do you do on day one? On day one, you need to make contact with that tenant. Now, call them, email them, do whatever you need to do to track them down, SMS texting. Make sure that you have made contact with them on day one. More importantly, I strongly suggest you issue a 14-day notice on day one. That 14-day notice gives you control of the situation. That means that they've got 14 days to rectify the arrears and keep existing payments that are in due between now and those 14 days up to date. Now, 14 days on, have they brought things up to date? If they brought things up to date, great, you're in the right position, you're comfortable. If not, you need to then issue a tenancy tribunal application. That application is to recover rents due to you. That application is sent to Tenancy Tribunal, who will issue a date for a hearing which you and the tenant are invited to. That hearing is all about determining what your case is. Your case is rent arrears. They are there to try and represent why rent hasn't been paid, but I just about guarantee you'll win the case if you've set your case up the right way. From there, the choices are you may be awarded an eviction, which allows you to remove those people from the property within 48 hours, or it may well be that they award a rent recovery reduction program that you may have agreed to, or a combination of both. But from my perspective, it'll either be eviction or it will be recover all the rent on the spot through your bond and through the rest of the balance from the tenant. So there is a lot involved in that process. I strongly recommend you understand it inside out if that's the path you're going to go down. Of course, there is experts and property managers out there. For instance, myself, I'm in Auckland, all over Auckland, operate all the suburbs in Auckland, so really keen to work with you if that was an option that you were looking for. So we are in the property management game. Call me now if you want to, 09 373 5400. Mobile 0275 61 448. Email barry@quinovic-newton.co.nz or inquiries@quinovic-newton.co.nz, and just for special measure, website www.quinovic-newton.co.nz. Love to hear from you.